Find dy dx when x squared y cubed equals to 8. For x squared y cubed, we're going to use product rule. Because we have u as x squared and y cubed for v. And for 8, we're going to use constant rule. Let's see, we have k there. So we know that product rule is uv prime plus vu prime. And the constant, which is k, u, which is x squared, and if we differentiate y cubed with respect to x, we're going to get 3y squared dy dx plus y cubed, and if we differentiate x squared with respect to x, we're going to get 2x equals to, and if we differentiate 8 with respect to x, we're going to get 0. So let us bring y cubed 2x to the right hand side, and I rearrange it. It's going to be negative 2x y cubed. And for the left hand side, I rearrange it. We have 3x squared y squared dy dx. So let us bring 3x squared y squared to the right hand side. So we're going to get through negative 2x y cubed divided with 3x squared y squared. And let us simplify. We're going to get negative 2y over 3x. That's it.